Hi, this video, and I know it's still kind of early, but I just wanted to get it done so I would not forget about it, because I'm a very forgetful person, kind of. But, this person is also close to my heart, and her birthday is coming up really soon. And I just want to say happy birthday, Mrs. Gordon. I know you probably watched this, and, I just wanted to tell you that, it has been amazing getting to know you these past years. You inspire me every day to want to be a counselor, and you're truly like one of the greatest persons to talk to when I'm upset or sad because you know how to cheer me up and you know how to make me laugh when I'm upset. And I just want to say you're truly amazing, and I will never forget you. And this song is going to be hard to sing to me because it's kind of like how I'm going to feel when I graduate. But no matter what, I'll always remember you, and I hope you have a great birthday. Good. This is for you. I always knew this day would come. We'd be standing one by one, with our future in our hands. So many dreams, so many plans. Always knew after all these years, there'd be laughter, there'd be tears. But never thought I'd walk away with so much joy, with so much pain, and it's so hard to say goodbye. But yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment, so glad I got to know you. The times that we shared, I'll keep like a photograph and hold you in my heart forever. I'll always remember you. Another chapter in the book. Can't go back, but you can look. And there we are on every page. Memories I'll always say. Up ahead on the open road. Who knows what we're heading towards? I wish you love, I wish you love. For you the world just opens up, but it's so hard to say goodbye. Yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment, so glad I got to know you. The times that we had, I'll keep like a photograph and hold you in my heart forever. I'll always remember you. Every day that we had, all the good, all the bad, I keep them here inside. All the times that we shared, every place, everywhere, you touched my life. Yeah, one day we'll look back, we'll smile and relax, but right now we just cry. 'Cause it's so hard to say goodbye. Yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment, so glad I got to know you. The times that we had, I'll keep like a photograph and hold you in my heart forever. I'll always remember you. Oh, I'll always remember you. Yeah, yeah. I'll always remember you. Happy birthday, Mrs. Gordon, and I hope you have a great day. Love you.